Palm Beach County's hotline to make appointments is still down. The high call volume caused it to crash last week.
But the lucky few who were able to get through and make appointments are getting shots in the arm for COVID-19 starting today. CBS 12's Danielle Wall joins us live now from West Palm Beach. And Danielle, how's that process going so far?
Well, Liz and Jim, a much different scene here compared to some other parts of the state where we're seeing those really long lines, seniors waiting in their cars for hours. Today, outside of the Palm Beach DOH, we saw a short line of seniors here to get their COVID vaccines with appointments that are still very hard to get.
I haven't been out. Big day for me.
Taking his spot in line, Martin Judovitz sees this appointment as the first step toward getting his life back. The Boca Raton resident hasn't seen his family in a year and hopes the COVID vaccine will make those meetings safe again.
Somehow we will get back to normalcy. I'll be able to see my children, my grandchildren. I'll be able to go and visit with friends. I'll be able to attend services in the synagogue.
That'll be great.
Yes.
That'll be great. And I'm sure you'll give your family a big hug.
Oh, unbelievably.
At 94 years old, he doesn't take normal life for granted. Judovitz is a Holocaust survivor who was imprisoned at Auschwitz. He hopes he can soon call himself a COVID pandemic survivor now that he's getting vaccinated.
You know, it's just a big relief. Because it's a huge responsibility.
His nurse, Susan McSweeney, said everything ran smoothly once they got inside the Palm Beach Department of Health.
So there was no wait, there was no crowd.
But getting a spot today wasn't easy. The moment the DOH hotline opened for vaccine appointments last week, she called and was on hold for 2.5 hours before someone answered. And she was one of the lucky ones.
Welcome to Verizon Wireless. Your call cannot be completed as the called party is temporarily unavailable.
Most other callers heard an error message. The department's hotline crashed the day it opened due to a high call volume. A DOH spokesperson says they're working to improve the system, but as of this afternoon, the number is still not working.
The hotline situation is still rather confusing.
As a healthcare provider, Susan is still struggling to make her own vaccine appointment with the DOH. But for now, she's just relieved to get Martin through the line and see the county's most vulnerable slowly be seen.
I've been waiting for this for weeks now, and I'm really very happy to have had the first shot.
The Palm Beach Department of Health tells me they are accepting requests for appointments through their email service, and the address to request an appointment is chd50feedback@flhealth.gov. We did test that email service last week and can tell you that it automatically sent back a response to us, but there has been no follow-up from that email service for days. Reporting live in West Palm Beach, Danielle Wall, CBS 12 News.